Release the nerd now if get squashed by my awesome pecs.
Surrender or face the wrath of my friend. Don't worry, girl. I still have lots of fans left.
Like these flies can stop me. Give him back now.
But you haven't met my biggest fan yet. Oh, Grigori.
Tiger.
Do ho ho ho.
Now let's finish this.
Fine, whoever wins gets nerd. But first, let me tie my shoelaces. Psych, I don't have any.
That's the best you got. My turn. Oh, you're sitting like a cowardly pup. Suits you well.
Wait, I'm the queen here. You should be sitting on my command.
Ready to give up Barbie legs.
I yield.
Go, Tiger, go.
Good. Anything you want to say to Nerd?
Sure. I'm willing to raise the breakup offer to 1 million.
You're still on that. No way.
Wow, what a greedy bunch. Fine, to million, but that's my final.
Don't you get it, lady? We don't care about any price.
What do you mean?
Our love shines like the stars of the universe, and even after our matter dismantles, our combined souls will never separate.
Yeah, what he said.
But I'm the queen, I get everything I want. Wah! I want what they have.
Queen, more like a bratly princess.
I want it.
Like my grandpapa used to say, no amount of wealth can fix being a total doo-doo head.
Brutal but wise words. Jock.
Don't worry, girl. There's lots of cool and single guys out there.
What's the point if I can't have nerd? That's it. My new life mission is to break you all up.
Huh?
Your parents, your grandparents, your pets, I'm gonna separate you all.
How rude.
Simpformation. Simp cycle.
Servants, we're leaving. One day you'll be mine. Nerd. What just happened?
I know, right? Riding a vehicle in the hallway is very irresponsible.
And dangerous. Based on Greek store labors of Hercules.
There's that pesky Nemean lion. One shot and it's over. What strong fur? What kind of conditioner do you use?
How about you come here and find out?
I don't need any weapons. I'll beat you hand to hand.
Bring it on, bum! Watch out my pretty face! Ouch!
Wow, what a tough kitty.
Time out. I've had enough.
Let's wrestle some more.
Let me go!
Huh?
My fur!
Wait, you forgot this.
Keep it, I'm out of here!
And that's how Jockules defeated the Nemean lion.
Woo!
Did it really happen like that?
I wonder.
Huh? Am I getting bigger?
More to love.
Cute.
What's going on?
I just showed her this picture on Nerd. Cute.
Fancy suit, Jock.
It only gets better.
Really? A tie with Nerd's face on it.
Jelly.
Extremely.
Moo ha ha ha.
I'm a spooky skeleton. Oh!
Watch out for that big puddle. This looks like a job for a chivalrous knight.
I think we got this reversed.
King stalls must remain unstained.
Hey nerd, you are looking quite squeezable today. Nerd, did Tiger got your tongue? Say something, man.
Hey, Jock.
Huh?
What's going on? Am I seeing double?
Almost. I've been turned into a plushie.
Cool. What a cute little fella.
Two nerds.
I need it.
It's here! Zenny!
Not now, Olga dear. I'm busy being worshipped.
All hail Zenetrius!
But the new nerd plushie has arrived!
Oh my gosh. Change of hierarchy, everyone.
All hail Nerd Plushie!
It's so difficult to come up with a good name for my MMO character. But I will do it eventually.
60 years later.
Aha, I got it. Darn it, it's taken.
Nerd plushie! He will be mine!
Tiger technique. Carefully.
Gotcha!
Huh?
Where did it go?
Blup.
Hey, no fair! Nerd, you're flying again!
Don't worry, I can handle this.
Hallelujah, it's raining nerds. It's here. Nerd plushie. We're gonna have lots of fun.
Yay!